Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Lollipop holder in Canva. We'll start by setting up your design space with the correct dimensions, ensuring your holder fits perfectly. Then, I'll guide you through selecting and customizing various design elements, from fun graphics to personalized text. You'll learn how to arrange these elements to create an eye-catching and unique holder. Finally, we'll cover the essential steps for preparing your finished design for printing and easy assembly, making your party favors truly special. Let's begin by setting up your design in Canva. First, open Canva and select Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. For a standard Lollipop holder, we recommend setting the dimensions to 4 inches wide by 6 inches tall. This size provides ample space for your design while remaining easy to print and cut. Make sure your orientation is set to portrait. Starting with a blank canvas gives you complete creative freedom to bring your unique Lollipop holder vision to life. Now for the fun part, designing your Lollipop holder. Canva offers a vast library of graphics, shapes, and illustrations. Search for elements that match your party theme, whether it's whimsical, elegant, or playful. Don't forget to add personalized text, like a name or a special message, choosing from hundreds of available fonts. Experiment with different color palettes and background designs to make your holder truly pop. Remember to group related elements together for easier resizing and positioning on your canvas. Once your design is perfect, it's time to prepare for printing and assembly. Download your finished design from Canva as a high-quality PDF print file to ensure crisp images and text. For the best results, print your holders on sturdy cardstock, ideally around 65 to 80 pounds, which will give them good durability. Carefully cut out each holder shape using scissors or a craft knife. Finally, use a small craft knife to create 2 tiny, parallel slits about 1/4 inch apart where the Lollipop stick will slide through, securing your sweet treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.